Spillway fishing, you're typically fishing really heavy gear and big live baits. This is one of my heaviest setups right here. This is, I think, the biggest Sharky 3 reel that KastKing makes. I have a link in the description for all this below. When you're fishing for snook and tarpon in saltwater spillways, typically you're using a freshwater bait like bluegill or something like that. So it's a really different kind of way to fish. The best time to do it is when it's raining, kind of like it is right now. Summertime, we've got the thunderstorms. The water in the canals are going to be overflowing into the spillways, into the intercoastal. So whenever those gates open, you can check them online and see what times they will be opening, and also just go when it's raining. That's when I found the best time to catch fish on these spillways. So I'll talk to you a little bit about this setup and all the gear I'm using later. Let's get to the fishing.
Caught some snails. See it. What?
Bunch of trash. So we're using mayan cichlids. This one's kind of big. The rest of them are a little smaller. It's like perfect spillway bait for snook and tarpon. So. Got some tilapia also. These are awesome bait. Just as good as bluegill and the mayan cichlids. Got a decent amount though. Starting to run a little bit. Alright. First one going out is a live tilapia. Right through the nostrils here. So the spillway is not fully running right now, but it should be opening here soon because of all the rain we've had right now. Ooh, that was a snook right there.
Good day.
That was like a 40-incher, dude. I threw it right on top of it. Where is it opening right now?
When it opens, will it be easier to catch one?
Yeah. Yes! Oh, we're gonna stay. This is the time.
We got out there right at the perfect time, right when the spill gates were opening. Didn't get any at the first spillway, fished there a long time, probably like 2 hours. Live baits, didn't get any bites.
Alright. Spillway number 2. Weird thing about this spillway. Got some moving water right here that I don't know where it's coming from. It's probably some overflow, some kind. The actual spillway, however, is locked up. Hey, look, free flare hawk. There's a little mayan cichlid. Awesome South Florida bait. About this size is perfect. You want to get set up?
Yeah.
You ready? Bait, kind of little baby mayan cichlid. There, hold on to this thing. I can't fish 2 snook rods at
I was
once.
just trying to get you.
Oh, I was setting up your rod, dude. I got a fish on. Big one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Reel yours up, Kendall. Just so it doesn't get in the way. Is my GoPro running? Is my GoPro running right now? Oh, giant snook. Is my GoPro going? Just,
Yeah.
video with your big camera. Oh my god, this is my biggest snook ever, Kendall. Oh my god. Look at him. I'm gonna have to go down there. Giant, right? Oh my god. Isn't that awesome? He ate a freaking, it was a mayan cichlid. I have to somehow get down there now. You're gonna have to hold the rod, and I'm gonna go down there, okay?
Alright. You're gonna get in the rocks?
I have to walk down this way.
Okay.
You gotta hurry though, because I don't want him to die.
Alright, here. I got him.
That was so crazy. I just dropped it down. I didn't even touch it. Oh my god. All right, well, hopefully I don't fall. Going for a land on this snook. These rocks are so slippery. Oh my. It's my PB snook. Right? Freaking there. Woo! Oh my. Get your camera ready. Oh my god. Guys, it's my PB snook right here. I wish I had a tape measure, but we're gonna measure him up against my rod or something. Look at that freaking snook right there. Ready?
Yeah, let's see him. Hold him up for me. Come on, it's great. Yeah, sweet.
Biggest snook
Hold him
I
next
ever
to you.
caught
Let me see how big.
on a freaking mayan cichlid. It's not good to put him on the ground, but I wanted to see how long this fish is because this is my PB. Look at that fish, guys. And it's right here on the rod. So I'll make a small scratch in the rod. I'm gonna measure that all the way to the back. Awesome fish, guys. Fished here for like 5 minutes, instantly got hooked on the 40-pound. Losing my drag a lot because I've been breaking off on the 40-pound, and this guy slammed it right off the bottom. I'm gonna get him in the water before anyone sees a spot. There he goes.
Oh. I want to jump on.
That was sick. All right, Kendall's going out now. She got some light line on there though.
Cast it? Over here?
Near that spill part, yeah. That's right where he bit it. This weird waterfall coming in here. Dude, this 40-pound almost got shredded. Look at that.
Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Yeah, just dropped down to the bottom, went to rig up Kendall's rod, and the snook is already on. So that was awesome. Personal best. I'd say today was an awesome day. I'm pretty blown away right now. Big shout out to KastKing, and I'll talk a little bit about the gear I was using. This is the Sharky 3 5000. I've had this reel for a while now, and it's really held up to a lot of really big fish. I've got it spooled up with 50-pound superpower KastKing braid as well, the high-vis yellow. This setup right here can really hold up to just about anything. I've only used it in the salt water, and it's held up to corrosion perfectly. There's no signs of wear. Everything's still real super smooth. The rod I'm using is a 7-foot Squadron. It's the heaviest one I could find. Typically when I'm fishing with high vis and thick braid, thick leaders, stuff like that, I'd like to make my leaders really long. I always try to stick to fluorocarbon. I think in this case I was using mono because monofilament's obviously a lot cheaper, but I would definitely stick with fluorocarbon. If you're using 40-pound, I believe it's like a number 2, just a normal Mustang, be cooked. And thank you guys so much for all the support, all the views, all the likes, and the subscription, guys. Really appreciate the support. And I'm trying to get back to you guys at 5,000 subscribers. As soon as I reach that mark, I'm going to announce the giveaway, and I'm going to give away some fishing tackle, rods, reels, you name it. So until then, stay fishing, guys.